garlicky, spicy, juicy, giant river prawn curry. Ah, so yummy, mouth-watering. So this is my own version of giant river prawn curry. Today we'll show you how to clean and cut this giant river prawn for cooking and a easy yummy recipe. Welcome to my channel. This is the giant river prawn. I'm going to cook 4, and the blue one is called Chelate leg. This we can eat. So first I will separate the Chelate leg from body and throw away the claw. I will cut the front portion. We cannot eat this one. And I'm gonna cut all these legs too. The front portion and the last portion of the tails. I'm going to keep the shell on because if I remove the shell, the prawns will shrink quickly. There is a thin black string down its back. It is filled with gut. It's shrimp digestive tract, and I like to remove this before cooking. But the shrimp I bought from a store is already clean. I'm gonna show you. With a scissor, first you have to cut the skin. Then you will see this digestive tract. It's a black color. But the shrimp I bought from the store is already clean. See? So it's already removed. It should be here. To separate the black digestive tract from the middle, they just cut the middle skin and tactfully take it out. But you can do it by yourself with a scissor and the way I've showed already. Now I will cut and clean the other prawns. Then I will start cooking. First, just a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. I put less 1 teaspoon. Mix with the shrimp. In a pan over medium heat, I'm gonna use 1.5 tablespoon olive oil. 5 minutes I will fry the prawn. With onion. Slice of a whole onion. We'll fry this with the prawn. In the meantime, I'm going to make a gravy. Turmeric powder 1/2 tablespoon. Chili powder 1/2 tablespoon. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. We'll mix this with 1/2 cup of water. And I'm gonna add this with the shrimp. These are the main ingredients. Five minutes we'll cook this with these ingredients. After boiling occurs, Then I will add 1 cup of water and will cover this. So the shrimp will take the flavors inside. So after adding water, I will wait 10 minutes. Cover with the lid. After 10 minutes, oh, see the colors. Everything smells amazing. Now I'm gonna add cherry tomatoes, 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup, and finally, finishing touch, garden fresh mint and chili. These will add extra flavor. I always fond of a spicy taste. Switch off the stove now. Now my friend, this is ready to serve up. Total cooking time 15 to 20 minutes. For you all, recipe link is given in my description box and measurement is written there in my blog. Please check. This is the healthy, delicious, yummy curry prawn, and best combination goes with rice. I always love to do quick and easy cooking. If you guys have any question or comment, write them below. If you enjoyed learning cooking from me, why not hit the subscribe button and press bell button to get notification every time I post a new recipe. Check out those beauties. I just love this. These head add lots of flavor to the curry. So my friend, lay those curry prawn out on your own serving plate. Now I will show you how to eat the chelate leg. First, break the leg and see the soft portion inside the hard shell. I am not going to eat the shell. I am going to eat this juice and flesh inside the shell. Now I am going to enjoy my dinner meal, rice with yummy giant river prawn curry. Perfect. Okay my friends, thanks for watching.